On to Manipur now. The state police today arrested two persons who were involved in the hurling of a grenade targeting the Raj Bhavan in Imphal. And those arrested have been identified as Laisam Ibosana and Konsam Manithoy Singh. During interrogation, both the accused admitted to have hurled the grenade at the Raj Bhavan on January 19th. Police authorities said that the duo have links with the rebel group UNLF. The arrested duo have been involved in numerous incidents of blast, such as hurling grenade at security forces at Lailashing in July 2019, grenade blast, and planting ID at Yaskul Police Lane on July 2019, besides hurling grenade at AC Office Gate on January 2020.
19th, there was an incident at around 4:15 p.m. where there was a hurling of a hand grenade in front of the Raj Bhavan, which landed after crossing the first barrack. Police have a temporary barricade. Just beyond that temporary mobile barricade, a hand grenade was found, which was hurled by two unknown persons. And in the process of investigation, we form a team. After a detailed investigation, a thorough investigation, we have unearthed a very important key player in the hurling of grenades in the town area, in Imphal area. On the 24th, the investigation team arrested one very important person who was a bailout in 2007, and was also arrested in 2016. And his name is Ibosana Maite, alias Jojo, alias Kengpa, alias Michael, about 42 years of age. He had played a very significant role in the hurling of bombs and IED explosion and grenades. However, because of his medical problems, we could not, and he could not corroborate anything much because of his health weaknesses. However, we were able to get vital clues, very important clues in the course of investigation. And today morning, after persistent investigation, we were able to arrest his co-accomplished. His name is Manithoy, Konsam Manithoy Singh, from the Salantong, Imphal East. And we were able to recover one Blazer red color and four mobile handset and other important documents, very critical importance documents also have been recovered from him and seized. And in the course of our investigation, we have unearthed the fact that they have carried out a series of bomb blasts in the last 2-3 years. In the course of investigation, we have come to the knowledge, and as they confessed, that it had been executed by them on the direction of one UNLF colonel called Achoba. So it was under his command that they have executed all these actions.